the new condo building here, MUIR, Muir Seattle.com. It has a garage drive going onto the over the sidewalk on South Lane Street down that way, over South Dearborn over here. South Dearborn Street gets a lot of pedestrians and bicyclists coming through here. I've got no response so far from the city. And they're putting in a speed bump on the for drivers before they get to the sidewalk. Actually, they can have it on both sides of the sidewalk, but on this side in particular would be really useful. Otherwise, someone going to be walking, jogging, bicycling along here, and they're going to be just smashed by a driver coming out of the drive here. I've been nearly struck several times by drivers coming out of this drive over here. Look how fast this guy's going, or gal, whatever. And they come up like that, and people are walking along here. It's just like catastrophe waiting to happen. Bicyclists in all black on the street with no helmet. Whew, recipe for disaster.